You are about to experience a new and better Acquire. Introducing Acquire Personal. With Acquire Personal, you can now create a user account, view and manage transaction history, save payment details, and more. Let's begin by signing up for an account. Just go to app.acquire.io and click Sign Up for free. Proceed by typing in your personal details, then click on Sign Up. You will then be asked to enter a one-time password, which you will receive via your registered email. Once confirmed, you will be redirected to your personal dashboard. Here, you can see the overview of your payments, registered billers, payment methods saved, and your transaction history. Let's try making a payment. First, we need to add a biller. Simply click on the Add a Bill button and search for your developer. Next, click on the Add a Payment Method and select whether you prefer to save a card or a bank account. Let's save a card for this demonstration. Now we're ready to make a payment. Let's click on the biller we saved earlier. On the left, you can see your property details. On the right, you can input the amount of your payment in Philippine peso. Under Payment Method, you can see the bank account we registered earlier. You can add more options here later. You can also leave a note for your developer if you wish. Be sure to double-check everything before clicking on Pay Now. Once your transaction is done, you can head back to the home page and see the status of your payment under Transactions. As you can see, the payment we just made is still in pending status. This means that the developer is currently verifying the payment. Oh look! The status just changed to paid. This means that the payment has been confirmed. All your transactions will be posted here moving forward so you can track and manage them whenever you want. Now, it's time for you to create your own account and experience the newer and better Acquire. For more information, you can check our website at acquire.io.